Hello, Spider fans everywhere, and college football fans across America and around the world. Satchmo with the Spider Gang. Glad to be back for episode 12 of the Spiders preseason opponents countdown. This episode features the William & Murray Tribe. Richmond goes to Curry Field on November the 19th to finish up the CAA regular season in game number 11. And after this brutally hot weather during the July and August, during the countdown, picture a beautiful late fall afternoon with crisp air, good company at beautiful Curry Field in Williamsburg. Few experts would doubt that the game will probably have CAA championship and FCS playoff implications, and that's the way it should be when these two teams meet in this historic game that's called by many the oldest rivalry in the South. After 126 games and last year's two-game sweep by the Spiders, one game separates the two teams over 126 games played. And Spider fans who followed the program for a while know how tough this rivalry was on Richmond during most of the 70s, 80s, and 90s. But it's changed lately. Since 2005, the last 12 meetings, Richmond has defeated the Indians 10 out of 12 times. But you know what, Spider fans? Every one of those games, with a couple of exceptions, was a real battle. And I wouldn't expect it to be any different this season. And neither would the CAA pollsters and predictors, who picked William & Murray to finish second in the preseason poll, just behind the Spiders. William & Murray returns 16 starters, and sprinkled throughout are some all-CAA preseason picks. They'll be tough. And making it even tougher on November the 19th will be the motivation that legendary Indian coach Jimmy Laycock and his team will have after losing 5 in a row to Coach Rocco, who's never lost to Laycock in this rivalry. What a way to end a CAA regular season. That's all for the Indians. And speaking of endings, the countdown is finally over. I'm glad it's over. Satchmo and the Spider Gang are ready for some real football. Let's enjoy the season. Go Spiders. So long for now.